to dry my laundry.
I got a rock. And then I'll put this on the corner. We'll hold down the blanket. See, Rusher, let's go this way now. Okay, I'll give this other. Hey, get a rock, Rusher. Get a rock. Over by the tree. Oh, that's a good rock, Rusher. Okay, Rusher. Okay, we're ready. Let's go.
Wow, with this wind, my clothes will be dry in no time.
Rusher. Where's Rusher?
What are you two doing in there?
We're just playing in the house.
Okay.
Oh, Rusher.
I think it's getting hot in there. Okay, you two. Come on out. Probably really hot in there. You need to breathe. Yeah, come on out. Yeah. Is it hot in there?
Oh, yeah.
I bet it is. Yeah, but it's such a windy and beautiful day out, right? Don't you feel that? Okay, I want you to take a nice deep breath with me and breathe in that fresh air. Oh, doesn't that smell good? Oh, the wind is so wonderful. Why don't you take a break, okay? Why don't you take a break from being in that hot little place there and we'll go over to Mr. Wooka's. Yep, come on. Up, 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 up. Let's go. Yep. Okay, step aside. Come on over here, Russell. Watch your nose.
I'm gonna open. Don't want the wind to catch. Okay, that's okay. Hello. Hello there. Hello. How you doing there?
Oh, we're so good. It's such a windy day today, isn't it?
Oh, kidding, huh? That's a beauty wind today.
We built a house.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, out there in the yard.
Oh, you got a tent in the yard there. Oh, Mr. Wooka loves tents.
Oh, yeah.
Well, you know what? It's a good thing there's a wind out today.
Ooh, why's that, Mr. Wooka?
Well, if you come on in for the show, you'll find out we're gonna need wind for
Go
the show
on.
today.
Oh, that's right.
Wind for the show.
Mr. Wooka, I love your puppet shows.
Okay, well, you get in your seats and nail them down so they don't blow away, and I'll get into the old puppet theater.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, certainly is a windy one, isn't it?
Oh, there's so much wind. But that's okay, Mr. Wooka. He doesn't care. He's gonna do puppy show.
Wait a minute. We are so lost. We are so lost at sea. Oh.
Yeah, well, Gary, I have a solution. Get rowing, okay? Row, row, row your boat.
I miss you, Roy. I'm tired of rowing.
Well, how are we gonna get anywhere if we don't row?
That's true.
Oh, they're tired. Wow.
Oh no, does that mean we're stuck here? Oh, abandoned ship! Abandoned ship!
Hey, what are you doing, everyone?
Abandoned ship!
I'm going for a swim.
You're swimming.
Everyone, that's not the solution, okay? Get back in the boat.
Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I think I have an idea.
What, Harry?
Hey, everybody in the water, let's go push the boat home. Yeah, come on. Over here, Roy, you're the strongest. Help us push.
Go for it.
Okay, push. Okay. And kick, and kick, and kick, and shove, and shove, and shove, and shove. Are we home yet?
It's not working, okay? Can everyone get back in the boat?
Okay, get back in the boat.
Come on.
Get back in that boat.
What's with you? Come on. Okay. What now? Cheryl, do you have a suggestion?
Such a great idea. We can rock the boat home. Yeah. Okay, over this way.
Okay.
Whoa!
Okay, over this way. The other side.
I don't think it's working.
We're not getting anywhere.
How about you, Roy? Have you got any ideas?
Close your eyes and wish for the best. That won't work, Roy.
Roy! Carol!
The wind's really picked up. Why don't you just use your sail?
Yeah. Good idea. Cheryl, go get the sail.
Yeah, go downstairs. Who was that guy?
I don't know.
What? Okay, Ray. Oh. Okay, yeah, I think. Oh, there it is.
Oh, it's going
Yeah,
up.
keep going up. Keep going up. Okay, I'm gonna pull the sail up. Bravo! Bravo! Hey, that's a wonderful sail, isn't it?
The sail, of course. The sail is going to help them. The wind can push the sail and push the boat home.
Hey, that's a wonderful sail, isn't it?
The wind is taking us away.
Yeah! That's fantastic!
Mr. Wooka!
And there we go! There's the show! Yeah!
Wow, Mr.
What do you think of that?
That was so fantastic. Whoa, those ships were wonderful.
Oh, the pirate ship!
Oh, wow.
That pirate, that was pretty.
Do you know what? I love sailing. Do you? I totally love sailing.
Well, then we're going sailing one day.
Where's your
So I decided that maybe some breadcrumbs in it would be so delicious, and it worked.
Good at it.
Whoa! What is this?
You okay there?
It's my dress.
Oh, Dad, look at that!
Oh, my clothes are
Oh,
going
here, go, go, go.
I gotta go, Mr.
Oh,
Wooka.
well, give me a hand.
Come on, Mr. Wooka.
My goodness.
Yeah. Oh, my laundry's all. Where'd the tip go? Wow, that wind. I'll have to get that back later. Okay, Mr. Wooka, you guys hang on there. I gotta go get my laundry before anything else.
Okay.
Come on, Mr. Wooka.
Sit tight, you two. Wow, it's really cooking up now.
Yeah. Okay. Well, if you could get my basket, if you could, there, I'll start to grab. Try to get that. Oh, try to get that for your dad. Come on over here, mister.
What? Okay.
Okay.
There, put it right in
I
there.
just dropped it off.
Oh, here.
Yep. Oh, geez, Okay, you know what? I got this right here. I got this in Maui. It's something called batik.
Batik.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
I got rid of that.
Yeah, okay, let me just put it
Oh,
down.
careful not to get her on the ground.
Blows away.
There you go. There you go.
Hang on.
I got the basket ready.
Okay, there we go.
There.
Oh, thank you, Mr.
Well, that's good enough. Okay, let's go. Easy.
Okay, well,
There.
thank you
got it
so
there?
much, dear Mr. Yeah, I got it. Oh, look at you two. Did you two catch my apron? Well, that is so wonderful. Well, you know what, Mr. Wooka? I think we should probably go in before we all blow away. Oh,
Yeah, probably a good idea.
yeah. Well, thank you so much for the puppet show.
Yeah, Mr.
Yep.
Wooka.
Oh, you like that? Oh, well, yeah, you get inside, and I'm gonna make sure my laundry's not blowing away.
Oh, that's a good idea. Well, if you need any help, give me a call, okay?
I will.
All right, bye, Mr. Wooka. Come on, you two. Let's go inside. Well, I think it's done. Just take a look here. Ooh.
Oh. Keep that corner on there. Put it. Yeah.
Well, there, sweetie. Look what I have here for you. Well, not necessarily for you, but you get to have a piece later.
Oh, yum.
Yeah, oh, just be careful. It's very, very hot. It's a hot, delicious pie. And you know what? We're making it for your mom.
Yeah?
Yes, we are.
Oh. You know, I'm gonna blow on it.
Oh, that's a good idea. Just be careful. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, but you know what? I think if we put it on the windowsill, since it's such a windy day out today, that maybe the wind will help cool it off. What do you think?
Oh.
You think that's a good idea?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go put it on the windowsill. Okay, well, with this wind here, my pie should be cool in no time. Let me take off the oven mitts here. Well, yep, I think that's gonna cool the pie down so nicely.
With the wind?
Oh yeah, you see the wind will blow, and it will blow all the hotness away from the pie. Oh, which reminds me, I have the perfect book for a day like today. Yeah, so come on in the living room there, Sweet Pea. Follow your Nana into the living room. Okay. Come on up here. Up on your Nana's knee. And like I said, I got a wonderful book for a windy day. There we go. Okay. Now this book is called I Love My Kite. Yeah. And you know what a kite is, don't you?
No.
Well, a kite is something that you put up in the sky. It's kind of like a toy that you float all the way up in the sky. Yeah, you'll see. It's very exciting. It's really fun to fly kites. I love to fly my kite. Look at that guy. He's flying his kite.
It's on a string?
It's on a string. Yeah. When the wind is just right.
Oh.
So you need the wind to blow the kite up into the sky.
Oh, there's no wind.
No, not right now, is there? Imagine the wind so strong that it whistles a windy song. See the wind? The wind sometimes whistles. Yeah, what do you think of that?
What's that like?
Well, it kind of sounds like something like that. It's very nice to hear. Yeah. Right.
Very windy.
Oh, look at this. A wind that blows so hard that laundry flies all around the yard.
Oh.
Yeah, just like today, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, look at all of that laundry, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's see what's on the next page. Oh, look at these. Look at these people. They're funny. Where everyone loses their hat. I guess the wind is blowing their hats all the way. And even the fur stands up on my cat. Look at that.
Kitty.
And all his hair is blowing off. Wow, poor cat. Where the waves on the sea are 30 feet tall.
Oh.
See, the wind blows and it makes waves.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's the kite. And the boat sailed faster than a cannonball. Yeah, because wind, just like in Mr. Wooka's puppet show, the wind makes boats sail too, huh? What do you think of that, huh?
Yeah.
My kite would lift me up to the sky.
Huh?
Oh, look, there's the ground. Now, where's he going?
I don't know.
Well, I think the kite's lifting him up. I can see anything from up that high. Look, here he is with his kite. Isn't that wonderful?
Flying.
He is over this house. Maybe that's his house. Or maybe that one. Which one? Which one's his house?
It's that one.
Oh, okay. I dream of a wonderful wind that's so strong. I guess the wind was so strong now we can see the whole planet. Wow, that's a strong wind. But, well, look at this. Maybe tomorrow it will come along. Yeah, he's sleeping with his kite. Wow, what a wonderful book, huh?
Yeah.
There we go. Close that up. Put that down.
It's Mr. Wooka.
Oh, it is Mr. Wooka knocking. I think that's Mr. Wooka. Well, it is Mr. Wooka. Yeah, it is. Hi there. Here, watch yourself. I'm opening up that door. It's a windy day out there today, isn't it?
Jeez, I'm blowing out there. How are you doing?
Oh, we are so good at
So, guess what I've got for you today on this windy day?
Look at that! Wow, it's a kite, yeah.
What do you think of that?
Wow,
Yeah, we
look
got
at that.
we got a
Mr.
kite.
Wooka, we were just reading a story about that.
You're kidding. Well, then you know all about what we're about to do, eh?
Wow, that is so wonderful.
Whoa, there's a gust.
Okay, why don't you go out there with Mr. Wooka? Go on.
Okay, come on out,
there,
boy.
there.
Okay,
I'll be out in a second. I gotta do my laundry. Close that door. Oh, wow. Okay. Yep. Laundry. Oh.
Okay, woo! That is a perfect wind for kite flying, huh?
Yeah.
All right. What do you say we do a checklist?
Okay.
You know what a checklist is?
No.
Well, that's when you make sure before you do something that you've got everything you need. So, what have we got? Wait, what's that? What's that right there?
That's the kite.
Yeah, that's right. That part. Wait a minute. Do we hang on to this, or does this part go up in the air?
That's for the air.
Oh, yeah. Okay, perfect. And what have we got here? What's that part right there?
String.
Yeah. Now, what I need you to do is hold on to that. You got that there?
Uh-huh.
Okay, that is a very important part, because if we let go of that string, this kite is gonna wander off. Okay, kiddo, now, make sure you got that with 2 hands there, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what you're doing. Okay, well, all right, you let that string out slow. I'm gonna start to back up with the kite, okay? Just let that string out there nice. There you go. Nice and easy. There you go. How's it going there?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, when I give the word, you count to 3, and we're gonna launch this up in the sky, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you go. Anytime, Miss Mona.
Okay. 1,
1,
2,
oh, here comes I'm getting nervous.
3. Mr. Wooka.
that?
It's hard, Mr. Wooka.
Oh, it's really pulling on you there, huh? Yeah, she's gonna fight you. You gotta fight her back there. You okay? You just keep 2 hands tight on that there. You'll be fine. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Oh, catch her there. Catch her. Wind died down. Yeah. Oh. There you go. There, she's okay. There you go. Woo! Almost lost her there. Hold on.
Oh, what did you think of that surprise?
Nice.
Yeah, I found them in the basement.
Oh, Nana, that's good. Whole family of kite flyers, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that, Russ. I had no idea you could fly that.
Yes, good, Roger.
Woo, okay, here you go, Mr. Wooka.
Oh, looks okay. This could potentially be very crazy. Now,
You think
watch
you
the
can handle
strings.
that? Woo, I'm in the
Okay.
strings.
Whoa, careful there.
Well, okay. I'll be right back there, Mr. Wooka.
Okay, cutie. Now, let's see how much skill this old man's got. Ready,
I'll
Russell?
be right back, Mr. Wooka.
Okay, hurry back. The wind's really fierce. Ready, Russell? On the count of 3, triple loop-de-loop. 1, 2, 3.
Hello? Oh, hello, baby. Hi, Mom. Hi, how are you?
Well, you know what? On such a windy day, we used the wind to cool this pie that I made you.
You made me a pie?
Yes, I did.
Oh, Mom,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
You're so welcome. But you know what? I gotta go because we were outside flying kites, weren't we there, Sweepy? And Mr. Wooka is still outside.
Oh, my goodness. Wait, can tell me all about it, Nana. You better get back to Mr. Wooka.
Yeah, I better.
Okay.
Bye. And
Bye.
my sweet baby. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, I'll call you soon.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, come
Call
on.
me tonight, okay? Tell me how the pie is.
Okay, I will.
Yeah.
You know, Mom.
Okay. We'll see you tomorrow. Oh, I'm coming, Mr. Wooka.